My name is Imani Vidal. I have lived in Jacksonville and particularly this community for half my life, as well as also in the Bronx. I'm originally from the Bronx. Why it's important to get to the root of the problem. The root of the problem shows you where the solution is. And the root of the problem in a lot of our communities here is food access, food dependency, and the types of food that we have access to, which would be that dependency form. And the solution that we are working on here is showing people that there's an alternative that we're reintroducing, which is grow your own food. Feed the people, free the people. And we're freeing the land, we're freeing the people through freeing the land. The process of being a land steward is as simple as getting the seed from the food that you're eating from the grocery stores and putting it out in dirt and watering it. And now you have a plant that you, number one, know where it came from and know who took care of it. And also now you can share with the rest of your family. Eartha's farming market is an example of that in our community, because it was a space where a large amount of the thriving community back in the 1900s were able to come together, grow food, be safe, clean themselves, because there was a bathing house that had a natural that was being given and fed through the natural spring that was here, what they call Moncrief Creek, and it was thriving. It was a thriving community that Eartha decided was going to be a space that fed on the good parts of our survival, and that means our skills, our solution building, our entrepreneurism, our fair trading, and also being stewards to the water and to the earth. I started working here in 2020, and in 2020 was during the pandemic, where a lot of people were indoors. I was outside, honing my skills that I developed in the Bronx, working with Libertad Urban Farm, and being able to come out here as an alternative was eye-opening because it was jarring. I knew that the people that were feeling sick were understanding that their sickness was something that was given to them or airborne, or was created possibly even in a lab or spread person to person. However, that was also something that you could understand that you could have been taking care of your body beforehand, with the foods that you ate, the herbs that you harvested yourself, with the plants that you understood were growing all around you. And those are things that we try to hone and promote and teach here at Farm through workshops, through volunteering, and through knowledge building. We have people that come for a community garden, we have the youth garden, we have the rental beds in the back that allow folks to have access to people like myself and my assistant and my director here, who have been farming for 10 plus years. And they also get the experience from seeding to potting up to cover cropping to composting to understanding pollinators to understanding companion planting to wood chipping and doing regenerative practices, to understanding land and water and actually the weather, and understanding also what grows in what grows in certain spaces better. There's a lot to it. However, if you don't start, then you don't know how, you don't know when you're gonna ever start. And it's a little bit at a time. You can come out here and volunteer for an hour or two, and that would probably, even if you're, especially if you're near me, you'll probably end up learning at least 5 different things that you had not even known, that you can then apply to whatever it is that you're trying to do at home, or maybe it'll inspire you to do something at home. We sell seedlings at the market. We sell all of the foods that we grow out here at the market as well. And we offer our market to everyone in the community, as well as allowing people that are on food assistance the alternative to have their dollars matched if they come here and they purchase produce from us or any of the vendors here. So there's lots of opportunity for us to have the food sovereignty network that we need, from child to adult, and we want that to happen. So we offer Eartha's Farm and Market for that.